Hi, my name is James Blacklaws and thank you for watching this video. Now, one of the strap lines I use when I'm out and about networking is I'm James Blacklaws, JB Commercial Finance. I find money for business where others can't. And I like to think that's true, and certainly my track record seems to suggest that is true. But it does beg the question, can every business, can every individual be helped? And the simple answer to that is no, they can't. And there's always times where unfortunately you have to turn to a client and say, I'm really sorry, I'd love to be able to help you, but simply I can't do it. And I think as long as you are very open with the reasons why that is the case, it's generally not a major problem. And the fact is, a lot of customers come to me because they've been turned down by their primary finance provider, i.e. their bank, in the first place. So it's not the end of the world, and I think as long as you're transparent and honest about it, it's not normally a huge problem. I think the issue comes is if you're not honest about it, you lead people up the garden path and actually you give them false hope. Because if you're clinging onto an idea in your business that you can leap to the next level, you can buy that property, you can buy that asset, then you want to cling to that, you want to believe that's going to happen. And if actually it's not going to happen, rather than lead someone up the garden path, it's best just to say, no, we can't help you, these are the reasons why. But, and this is the important bit, this is what you can do to get yourself in a position where you are a viable proposition for a lender. Now, that doesn't have to be a high street bank lend, that can be a secondary or a third tier lender, someone who's more prepared to take a view. But if you get on that ladder, you can then move up the value chain, so to speak, to become a high street customer over a period of time. And what I like to do with clients, if you turn around and say, no, I can't help you, and these are the reasons why, but let's stay in touch, keep watching videos, keep in touch, conversations every few months, whatever it may be. Let me know how you're going, let me know when your next set of accounts are produced, and then we can look at the situation then. Because if we can get the business into a state where it is a viable proposition for a loan or a commercial mortgage, then surely we want to continue to work together. So you'll be a client of mine in the future and I'll be able to assist you. So that may well be getting the balance sheet a little bit more positive. Maybe we're making more money. Maybe we'll be helping with the margins, building up the assets in the business, looking to cut members of staff, whatever it may be that helps that business become a more bankable proposition. And you may have to get other people involved, coaches, process people, accountants, bookkeepers, etc. So there's all sorts of things you can do. What I try not to do with clients is mould them into a viable banking proposition for them in the future. And that's part of the service I try and offer, which I don't think, to be fair, the high street banks did. So I'm James Blacklaws, JB Commercial Finance. If you're a business who's looking to borrow money, or if you're a business who maybe aren't at this moment in time, but want to help to get shipshape for that, then get in touch. Thanks a lot.